Hi guys, it's Tammy, and I have some mail that I got from Premier Yarns. Now, I have not ordered anything from them before this, and I was watching YouTube as I often do, and you apparently do too because you're watching me now. And I found a new yarn, at least new to me yarn. I had never heard of it. And this is it. So, it doesn't look, I mean, it looks pretty. It doesn't look like much though, like that. This is Premier Everyday yarn. This one is in the soft worsted, and I got the color steel. So I'll take it out so you can see. And I can feel it. Oh my goodness, it is nice. This is 203 yards. It is 100% acrylic. I know some people don't like acrylic. I like it. I don't care. It is medium weight, number 4, and you can find it at premieryarns.com. And again, this is the color steel. And I got 3 of those because I thought that they would match both of these colors, which in and of themselves look very pretty. So I got 2 of these, and this has a couple shades of red, a gray, a black, and I think that it will match this just perfectly. And then I got this one that has gray and black and green and blue. Also very pretty. Now, you guys might be thinking, why are you so excited about this? And it matches beautifully. These are plaid yarns. They have planned pooling so that when you knit them or crochet them, and I know that the person that I was watching was a crocheter, and so I'm hoping that it does the same with the knitting, but it makes plaid. I don't know how. Kind of like the self-striping yarn. This is self-plaiting yarn. What? Say what? So I will try to remember to take some pictures from their website and include them in this. But this is the colorway navy green plaid, and this one is the colorway red black plaid. And this was my favorite. They had so many though. I really wanted to choose a bunch, and they had a special going on. I don't know if they still do, but check your coupons and do all of that thing. But normally they're $10 a skein. So, but they were having a sale, so I think I got 30% off. So it was great. And I did just get these in the mail, so you know, maybe the sale's still going on. I don't know. It feels like it's new yarn, like a new concept. I have never seen it before, but of course I've only been knitting for less than a year, so I don't know if this was out there and I just didn't know about it. But I've seen a couple of videos of it now. No, I haven't seen anybody that's actually used it though. No, that's not true. That's not true. I did see somebody crochet with it. I haven't seen anybody knit with it yet, but I'm hoping that it will work out just the same. And if not, I need to learn crochet anyway, right? So I just thought it was really cute, and I just couldn't get over it. So you can see how that plaids up. Crazy amazing. So yeah, 360 yards per skein, and this says to use a size 8 or a 5mm knitting needle. So I will have to try these out and see how they work, but I didn't know what I would need, but I just knew I wanted a color that would match, and I liked that it was the same brand because then I could feel like I could do something with it and make it all work. So I'm thinking I'm going to definitely have to do a scarf or a shawl or both, something like that. So that is what I got. I hope that you guys like it, and I hope that you guys maybe got a fresh idea, and you can try something new too. So have a wonderful day, and I will talk with you all soon. Bye-bye.